Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Python Workout, 50 10-minute exercises, written by Reuven Lerner.
Numeric types are essential in programming, and Python offers three: int, float, and complex. Integers, int, represent whole numbers, while floats handle numbers with decimal points. Understanding these types is crucial as they form the basis for more complex data types like strings and dictionaries. Exercises involve numerical inputs and outputs, emphasizing the importance of number manipulation and type conversion. For instance, a number guessing game exercise introduces loops, user input, type conversion, and value comparison. Python offers two loop types, for and while, which are pivotal in handling repetitive tasks such as iterating over database records or searching text with regular expressions. In the guessing game, a random number is generated using the randint function from the random module. The user is prompted to guess the number, with the program providing feedback on whether the guess is too high, too low, or correct. The input function captures user guesses, which are always returned as strings and must be converted to integers for comparison. The walrus operator, =, introduced in Python 3.8, allows assignment within expressions, potentially simplifying loops that require a condition check and assignment. F-strings simplify string formatting by allowing direct insertion of variables and expressions within a string. Additional exercises challenge the reader to re-implement Python's sum function to accept a variable number of arguments using the splat operator, asterisk, and to write a function that calculates average running times, emphasizing the handling of floating point values and user input. Another exercise involves converting hexadecimal numbers to decimal without using the int function directly, showcasing built-in functions like enumerate and reverse to manipulate strings and numbers. In summary, understanding numbers in Python, type conversions, and the use of loops and formatting is crucial for effective programming. Continue your journey through the book to master essential Python concepts, including strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets, file handling, functions, functional programming with comprehensions, modules, packages, objects, and the powerful tools of iterators and generators.
Get this book at manning.com